Good morning. Thank you for joining us here today. Merci d'être ici avec nous aujourd'hui. My name is Susie Grynol, and I'm the President and CEO of the Hotel Association of Canada. I'm pleased to be here today with my colleagues from the travel and tourism industry. As you all know, the travel, tourism, and hospitality sectors were the hardest hit during the pandemic. Necessary public health restrictions shuttered many of our businesses, most of whom barely made it to the other side. We did our part to keep Canadians safe, and now it is finally our turn to recover. Travel is back with a vengeance, and we could not be happier. But the passenger experience at our Canadian airports is a challenge. We have lengthy delays on the tarmac. We have hours of lineups at customs. We're asking people to complete duplicative health checks. We still have random arrivals testing that is compounding the delays and frustrating passengers. At issue today is the fact that travel volumes are increasing, but COVID restrictions and requirements continue to linger. And that is creating congestion at our airports and contributing to a poor impression of Canada and our international travelers. This hurts our tourism industry at a time when we are desperately trying to recover. It adds uncertainty, frustration, and anxiety to the traveler experience, and it hurts our local tourism operators and hotels who are losing bookings because people are choosing other, less congested options. Many other countries like Italy, the UK, Switzerland have fully opened up travel and are fiercely competitive destinations. We believe that Canada should follow suit. So as we gear up for what we hope will be an incredibly busy summer, we are calling on the government today to alleviate the pain points and remove unnecessary restrictions. À l'aube de l'été, nous demandons au gouvernement fédéral de supprimer les restrictions inutiles. We must move away from emergency measures that were necessary at the height of the pandemic towards a more measured and modern system. We are pleased that the government is increasing staffing and remove mandatory testing requirements for travelers in transit, but we need to go further and faster. We can emerge from COVID with a vibrant and thriving travel and tourism sector, and we can fix these delays. And we can do it in time for the summer rush. But we need action today. With that, I'll hand it over to Interim President and CEO of the Canadian Airports Council, Monette Pasher. Merci.
Thank you, Susie. And thank you to the Canadian Travel and Tourism Roundtable for bringing us together today. Canada's hub airports have consistently been ranked among the best in the world for customer satisfaction and efficiency, including throughout the pandemic. Our airports know how to serve passengers to the highest levels, but we need government to act urgently to remove the remaining public health requirements at the border by June 15th. In order to alleviate the pressures currently facing travelers at Canada's airports. We are pleased that the federal government has worked with our federal agencies to increase the number of CATSA and CBSA screening officers, and also to eliminate random testing for transiting passengers. These were encouraging steps forward coming out of the working groups composed of senior industry and government representatives. But there is still more work to do, and it's urgent. The summer travel season is upon us, and international traffic at our arrivals at our airports is projected to increase by 50% at hub airports this summer.